Well, hello. Today we're doing a little staycation at one of our top requested hotels here in Chicago. We are at the Hilton Chicago, finally doing a room tour at the Hilton Chicago. Very special shout out to a family member who is staying here and has a very fancy room and was kind enough to let us do a room tour while they were staying here. This is a little above our pay grade, this room. It's got a lake view, it's got 2 bathrooms, it's super fancy. So we're gonna do this room tour real quick, and we will also mention that this hotel is pet friendly. All doggos are welcome. You don't have to be a service dog. There is additional fees that do apply. We'll put that up on the screen right now. And that being said, let's do the room tour. So right when you come in, you have the first bathroom over here to the left. Nice sink, tissues, got towels underneath here, little waistband down there, lotions over here off to the side. Your hand soap and body lotion there, Crabtree and Evelyn products. Nice big tub, looks super cozy for doing some soaking. Additional products mounted to the wall over here. Nice single shower head, looks good. Additional towels over here on the wall. Little hanger back there for more towels if you need on the door. Coming out over here into the room, we have a 2 queen bed, lots of space. This room is pretty large. I love that artwork that's up there, City of Chicago, the lake, that's awesome. Ernie's checking everything out. Over here, between the beds, you have your phone, remote control for the TV, anything you need from the hotel, scan the QR code. There are additional ports here on the lamp for charging your devices, as well as a fancy little charging pad over here with USB, USB-C, and 2 regular cord outlets. Fancy. Also fancy, in this drawer here, instead of having storage, it's your safe. That's cool. Got the desk over here and a little iPad that, you can order all your breakfast, contact the front desk, all the things you might need. Lamp here with charging ports for all of your charging devices. We'll get to the view in a second. Big screen TV here for your viewing pleasure. Looks nice. Mini fridge located under here. Nice and spacious, looks good. Coffee products underneath here, along with a drawer for storage, and then 2 big drawers over here for storage, should you need to unpack while you are enjoying your stay. Ice bucket and cups there. Nice chair over here to the side with a table. Do some sitting, relax. Closet is large, folks. It's a good size. Double doors here. Luggage rack. Ironing board. Steamer. Lots of space up here on the shelf. Very good size. Lots of hangers. Excellent, excellent. And now, for the first time we've ever seen a room with 2 bathrooms, I think. Right here you have the second bathroom. Sink, towels underneath. And this one is shower only, which is also nice. I like to have the, oh, you don't gotta open it that way, open it this way. Oh, sorry, that was loud. Crabtree and Evelyn products there. Another single shower head. So this is pretty great. You can have multiple people getting ready at the same time. Towels here and underneath. And your soap and lotion products here. Do we see the hair dryer? Oh, there it is. It's hanging on the door. There you are. Hair dryer. Perfect. Now, let's check out that lake view. Ooh, I'll also mention that big full-size mirror there on the wall so you can check yourself out. Make sure you're all set to go before you go outside. This room would be ideal for any of the concert series that are happening here in the summer. Nice view of the lake. That is super pretty. Look at that, right onto Lakeshore Drive over there. Look at that. You see the boats coming in. get a nice sunrise in the morning. Totally awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour,